I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here today for quick and easy meals. Today I'm going to be making a wonderful cream cheese green chili chicken enchilada. This is a super easy, super quick recipe that I put together in no time. I always keep the ingredients on hand and I put it together in a matter of minutes. It's always delicious and of course, easy. This is a weekly collaboration that I really enjoy participating in. It's hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and also on this channel, she's the Simply Grace Lifestyle. And we also have Jean Home Decor and more. And then of course me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out these channels. I'll have them all three listed below, and that way you can go and watch their videos for quick and easy meals every Sunday evening. So here's what I'm going to use to get started on my recipe. I have a block of softened cream cheese, and I also chopped up some green chilies. These will be really nice. We actually processed these green chilies ourselves and kept them in the freezer. And now it's time to use them. I'm going to also add some green chili sauce. This will be the nice sauce that keeps everything nice and juicy. When I get this all mixed up together, we'll have a beautiful thick sauce that'll be really creamy. And this only takes a couple minutes to put together. I love keeping these ingredients on hand. And then when I have some cooked chicken, I just put this together in no time. I intentionally made extra chicken last night so that I could have some to use for dinner this evening. Now we're just gonna take our plate with our tortillas, and I have a sprayed casserole dish here. I'm gonna make 4 of these enchiladas to bake in the oven. Filled it, and I'm just going to wrap it up and put it in the sprayed casserole dish. Now I have another can of green chili enchilada sauce, and I'm just gonna pour this right over the top of all of the enchiladas. Now our super easy green chili chicken enchiladas are ready to put in the oven. We'll put these in and let these bake for about 30 minutes, and they're really hot and bubbly. And then we're gonna put on some queso cheese that's shredded right on the top, and then we'll let that heat up and melt, and they'll be ready to eat. I'm so happy you're here. I really enjoyed putting this recipe together to share because it's super easy and super delicious. I always have the chicken on hand. I have tortilla shells, cans of green chili sauce, green chilies in my freezer, and of course cream cheese. You can also top this with sour cream. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and don't forget to check out these other great participating channels. I'll see you next time.